Welcome, chefs. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. Also available to you, our pantry and fridge. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will not move on to the next round. You will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. Let's see what you can do with huckleberries, black beans, green plantains, and octopus. 20 minutes on the clock for the appetizer round, starting now.
And then there's baby octopus. I've not worked with them, but I know that it's a pretty naked flavor, that it needs something, so I decided to marinate it with some lemon zest, a little bit of chili flakes. I want to make a grilled octopus salad with plantain chips.
I'm making a composed octopus salad with a huckleberry vinaigrette.
When you accept to come unchopped, you'll get some surprise ingredients in the basket that makes your life sweat a little bit. I marinate them with some lime, orange zest, and then just grill them with some olive oil on the pan.
I'm gonna pan-sear the octopus and the plantain, black beans with ginger, and make the huckleberry into a sauce. Failure is scary, but I taught myself how to swim at the age of 27. I was scared, but I did it anyway.
I still see stuff in the blender on Jeff's station.
I don't know if he's gonna make it.
Chefs, 1 minute.
I think it's an eye catcher, have a large olive on the plate. It's going to be a good combination with the octopus I will have.
30 seconds.
Time's ticking away, and if I don't get my plantains on a plate, I'm gonna get chopped.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
I didn't get the plantain puree on the dish. It's not a good representation of me as a chef.
Chef Frederick.
Well, for today's first course is a duo of octopus, sautéed and grilled, with a mousseline of black beans and huckleberry.
The presentation is great.
Love the puree.
Next up, Chef Jeff.
It's a simple composed salad of octopus with huckleberry, black bean, and butter lettuce.
The fact that you don't have one of the key ingredients on the plate, it is a big, big fault.
Chef Reggie.
I have a grilled octopus salad with plantain chip, black bean, and huckleberry.
I like the flavor of the huckleberry and the beans. I think the flavoring of the octopus with a lemon zest makes it come together very, very well.
Thanks.
Finally, Chef Chai.
Today I did a sautéed octopus with ginger black beans. This is the best octopus that we've had so far.
And these beans are delicious. Beans are awesome.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Jeff, you've been chopped. Chef Frederick, Chef Reggie, Chef Chai, please open your baskets. And we have champagne, skirt steak, yuca, and coconut. 30 minutes on the clock this time, starting now.
So I'm definitely trying to take a risk with the yuca croquette because in this round I want to wild them with, kind of create something unique.
I get cumin seed, black peppercorns, some yellow mustard seed, and some chili flakes. I'm gonna toast them off, grind them up for dry rub on the skirt steak.
I cut out the gristly thin layer, otherwise it's gonna be terribly chewy. I start to portion out pieces. Throw a little salt, pepper, olive oil, and lime juice.
I could get chopped if the steak's overdone. I take my meat out. I want to let it rest. I don't want to lose all the juices and cut it too early. I look at the risotto and it's ready for the cream. I grab cream and butter, keep adding liquid, stirring it, deglazing it with champagne. I realized that I need something else. I need something green. I sauteed the spinach and added some coconut slivers and added some champagne to give it a little bit of acidity.
Chefs, this is your 2-minute warning.
I have a few minutes left, so I sauteed some spinach with a little garlic inside. After chilling the croquette for a while, I fry them.
I start to make my yuca puree, and time is running out very quickly. but I want to plate and have time to make it look good. I'm working right down to the last second.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Reggie, what'd you come up with?
I have a grilled skirt steak and a yuca puree.
The steak was cooked very well. Surprising for a pastry chef. I give you your props. My main gripe is the beef is a little under-seasoned.
Chef Chai.
I did a spice-crusted skirt steak over a root risotto.
I like this risotto. I like this risotto a lot. I keep going back to this.
I love the risotto.
And finally, Chef Frederick.
I made a grilled skirt steak, yuca croquette with goat cheese.
Hats off. Very ambitious and very impressive. The saltiness of the goat cheese works very well in my croquettes. Overall, it just came across as a very clean and well-composed dish.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Frederick, you've been chopped. Chef Reggie, Chef Chai, you've made it to the dessert round. Now it's time to show us why you deserve to be here. Please open your baskets. And you must use chicha morada, cotija cheese, mangoes, shoestring potato sticks. 30 minutes on the clock for the dessert round. Starts now.
I want to make an ice cream. It's my favorite dessert. And I know I want to jump on the machine before Chai can get in there with any sorbet he wants to do. I incorporate the mango and the cotija in my ice cream base because I know one is salty and one is very sweet.
My plan is to make a sorbet, but Reggie took the machine and made ice cream with it. So I'm gonna make a sauce with the chicha morada. A really aromatic sauce with a lot of Indian spices, star anise, cardamom, some black peppercorns.
Chefs, we are down to 10 minutes.
I should be thinking about what my wife liked to eat when she was pregnant. A lot of nachos and sour cream. So I got sour cream, added some sugar, some lime. I stuck it in the blast chiller to cool down. I hate wasting time. I don't do it at work, I don't do it at home. I have an urgency about me. I'm gonna use every second of this round.
I'm not sure how the texture of the chicha morada sauce will hold up once it's sitting on the ice cream. If the syrup doesn't work the way that I want it to work, I could get chopped.
There's a lot of pressure on Reggie here.
Being a pastry person, to get chopped in the pastry round would be heartbreaking.
Chefs, 2 minutes to go.
I need to start plating the citrus sour cream with the caramelized mango and mirin. Those are sweet elements. It's not a traditional, sweet dessert, but it's a new style dessert.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
I see my sauce turned into a rock once it hit that ice cream. I should have known better.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
Hey, good job.
Good job.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What did you make with those, Chef Chai?
I made a potato stick crusted cotija cheese with a caramelized mango, a chicha morada ginger sauce, and a citrus sour cream.
Delicious. You get the lemongrass, clove, star anise. It communicates so much.
Last dessert, Chef Reggie.
We have a mango cotija ice cream with a chicha morada sauce and a potato stick brittle.
It's kind of like glue gluing my teeth together.
There is a lot of sugar. It's cloyingly sweet.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Chai, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Reggie Anderson, that you are the chopped champion. And I hope you'll have a grand time with 10 grand.
Thank you so much.